Thank you for purchasing the G0462 wood lathe. In this video, I'll walk you through inventory and assembly of your new wood lathe. The G0462 offers 16 inches of swing over the bed and a whopping 46 inches between centers. And rest assured knowing you have plenty of power with a 2 horsepower motor and variable speed adjustability and digital readout. For all the details, check out the specifications PDF on Grizzly.com. But now, let's jump into assembling your G0462 wood lathe. For setup, you'll need at least 2 assistants, a cleaner or degreaser and shop rags, mounting hardware if you're planning to mount the lathe to the floor, a measuring tape, a screw gun with Phillips head bit, a 13mm socket wrench or open-ended wrench, and an adjustable wrench. Carefully uncrate the machine by removing the top and sides and remove any packaging. Remove the bolts and brackets securing each leg for shipment and set the legs aside on a flat surface. Remove the accessory box and inventory the items. Inside you'll find a tool rest base, knockout tool, 2 32mm flat wrenches, and a hardware bag. Inside the hardware bag is a live and spur center, tool rest lock lever, 3, 4, and 6mm hex wrenches, 8 cap screws, and 8 lock washers. Now that we've inventoried everything, let's begin the assembly. Position each leg in line with one another and leave approximately 46.5 inches between the bases. With the help of at least 2 assistants, lift the lathe onto the stand legs and secure it with the included cap screws and lock washers. And remember to always ensure the headstock is locked down before lifting. Once the lathe is connected to the stand legs, you may need to remove the lathe bed end plates and remove the quill assembly. Slide the headstock to the opposite end of the lathe bed and reattach the bed end plate. Install the quill assembly and reattach the remaining bed end plate. Next, let's install the tool rest into the tool rest base using the included adjustable handle to secure it in place. Remove the nut securing the clamp plate to the tool rest base and place the pivot block through the bed channel. Reattach the clamp plate and nut to the tool rest base until the lock lever fully tightens. And finally, attach the digital readout to the top of the headstock with the pre-installed Phillips head screws, lock washers, and flat washers. Before beginning the test run or operation, ensure your machine is properly positioned in the workspace. See the site consideration section in your manual for more information. Don't forget to check out Grizzly.com for a huge selection of accessories. And thank you for your purchase of the G0462 wood lathe.